Hey guys, it's Dallas and today I have a super exciting video. I am going on a holiday. I'm actually going on a cruise to the South Pacific. That is my suitcase in the back and I'm just about to go pick up my friend Georgia because she's coming with me. So we're going to do a girly cruise. So stay tuned. Let's go, Georgie. Woohoo! I'm ready to go. Yay! Woohoo! Georgia have just arrived in our room, which is really cool. Got 2 beds, thank God, so she doesn't have to sleep with the starfish. And a little couch. We've got a mirror. The smallest bathroom in the world, which we haven't looked at yet, but
I've looked at it.
It is
pretty tiny.
Where is the light?
I know.
Where is the light?
I think it's like a hotel. We have to have your key in all the time too.
Oh, I see. Look, it's really small in here, so you're probably not interested anyway. Fancy. So fancy. Gonna have the best time. She's just in the bathroom. I don't know. So, now we're gonna go explore the ship. We're gonna go find the pool, gonna go find some food. I know, and a spa.
My towel's in my bag that's yet to come into the room.
Okay, so we're gonna go do that. So we just had dinner and we're just going to cruise around, get some drinks, and then there's a welcome aboard party later, so we're going to be going to that and dancing all night. We're just on a really quiet deck at the moment. It's really nice. Hey! So me and Georgia are going to go dancing at the club, which is called the Dome, which is pretty cool because it's like a circle. So
oh shit.
We're going to go get our dance on. So it's 8 AM on the second day and me and Georgia are going to go grab some breakfast and then we're going to head to the gym. Last night we danced so much so we slept in a little bit and it's 8 o'clock. But this is what I'm wearing today. Gonna go to the gym. So this is my breakfast, some fruit, 2 poached eggs and 2 boiled eggs. Yum! So me and Georgia just had a great workout at the gym and now we're going to go cruise by the pool and get a tan probably. Get this white skin looking dark. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for Georgia because she wanted to go take a seasickness tablet because she's not feeling too great. And then we're going to go lay and relax. Hello. It is day 2, the end of day 2-ish. It is the afternoon and me and Georgia may have got a little bit burnt. So my chest is like red and it's not too bad. But Georgia, on the other hand, she's a tomato. I told her to put sunscreen on, but no, I'm gonna get tanned.
We didn't have any sunscreen.
And we didn't bring any sunscreen because we're smart people. We're gonna buy some tomorrow on the boat. So now Georgia is straightening her hair and I'm waiting for her to finish. Then I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna go out and see if we can get a table at the waterfront, which is the restaurant on board. So it'll be fun. So now we're ready and we're gonna go out and have a delicious dinner at the waterfront restaurant. We hope, if we can get in. So yeah. Oh my god, it's so cute! We got a little towel. Oh my god, what is it? Is it a bunny?
It looks like
an elephant?
it's a bunny. It looks like a bunny.
Oh my god, we came in and we're like, oh my god, look at it! It's so cute!
We've got eyes.
Sitting at the comedy show. Well, Georgia is at the comedy show, and as soon as I went down there, I started feeling sick, like seasick. So I came back up here and I feel fine. I just feel like tired and I have a headache and my stomach hurts and I'm still sunburnt, so it's probably has to do with that as well. So I'm probably just gonna like wash off my makeup and go to sleep early and have lots of fun tomorrow night, maybe. But yeah, I just don't feel 100% ready to go out and party tonight. Hey everyone! So it is day 3, which is the day we get to go into Noumea. So we're gonna go do a tour and go see like all the really good things to look at, like some bays and stuff like that. And at the moment we're just gonna get up and have some breakfast and go to the gym again and probably lay in the sun. We bought some sunscreen, it's okay, so we're being responsible. So yeah, we're gonna go have some breakfast. So this is my breakfast. I got some muesli with some fruit and dried fruit and 4 boiled eggs, which I'll just eat the egg whites of. And I'm sitting up by the pool. So me and Georgia just finished at the gym. We're going to go back into our room and get changed and put on our bikinis and sunscreen and tan up. Ooh. Why is the shower dripping?
You didn't turn it on all the way.
Turned it off.
Idiot.
Georgia.
I didn't use the shower this morning. Explore Noumea. Just gonna find out how to get off the ship first.